Hi guys, welcome to WanderCookingShow. This is our new location for the new video. Today we are gonna cook chicken in coconut. Stay tuned, we'll join you with the recipe itself. We are adding turmeric to the recipe now. We are adding salt to the recipe now. So we are marinating the chicken now. We are not adding any sort of oils in this recipe because we are using skin chicken. So now we are putting it into the coconut. As you can see, we have filled it up. We are filling the other one now. So we are almost done with the recipe, as you can see. So now let's open those coconuts and see how the chicken is cooked. So guys, as you can see, this is our final output. See how finely it is cooked. So let's know the taste. See how tenderly it is cooked. See how it is cooked. So let's have it and know the taste how it is. So this is the recipe for this week, guys. Actually cooking it in coconut shells made it actually more tasty, because all those coconut water and coconut which is slightly layered in those coconuts gave this chicken a good flavor actually. So this is it for today, guys. Hope you like the video. If you like our videos, please consider subscribing to Wonder Cooking Show. Please share our videos with your friends and family. That would encourage us to go to new locations and shoot new recipe videos. Please support, guys. Your support is the utmost thing what we expect from you guys. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in another video. Bye bye.